In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a campaign or ad on TikTok ads. First, open your TikTok ads account by heading to the Ads Manager and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct business account so you don't accidentally touch the wrong assets. Once you're in, look at the top navigation and click Campaign. This is the main overview where you manage campaigns, and it's also the starting point if your goal is to remove something that's no longer needed. On the campaign page, you'll see a list of all your active and inactive campaigns, along with their status, budget, and performance. If you manage a lot of campaigns, the search bar and filters can help you quickly locate the exact one you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check the name and status so you're confident you've selected the right item. Select the campaign you want to remove, then look for the Delete option. Click Delete. TikTok will prompt you to confirm. This is an important safeguard because deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Review the campaign name one more time in the confirmation window, and when you're sure, confirm the deletion. The campaign will be permanently deleted and will stop delivering immediately. If your goal is to remove a specific ad rather than a full campaign, the same idea applies. Locate the ad from within your campaign structure, choose it carefully, click Delete, and confirm. Whether it's a campaign or a single ad, the confirmation step is your final chance to verify you're removing exactly what you intend. A few quick tips before you finish. If you need the historical results for reporting, consider exporting performance data or taking a quick screenshot before you delete. Deleting a campaign or ad won't erase past reports. It simply removes the item from active management. Any spend that has already occurred remains in your billing records, but no further budget will be used. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the right permissions for that account, or the item could be in a state that temporarily prevents changes. In that case, check with your account admin or refresh the page and try again. And that's it. Open your TikTok ads account, go to Campaign, select the item you want to remove, click Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your ad account clean and organized.